Hey guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a good weekend. Thought I would start off with a new review system that I'm doing basically on BlackBox stocks. This is a really well-known indicator, alerts, all sorts of different tools for trading and community. It's basically everything you would want in a trading package. At least that's what it's billed as. So I thought I'd give it a shot, see what it's like, report back to you guys. And I thought my first video would be on one that's been bothering me for about a week and a half now. So I've seen the guys at Raging Bull, maybe you guys have seen them too. They've partnered with BlackBox stocks and they keep talking about this GoNoGo signal that is basically this fantastic, indicator. And as you guys know, if you watch the channel or read my blogs, or any of that stuff, you know that I'm a big advocate for something like Algo Pro. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to go and check out Algo Pro. It is fantastic. It gives you indicators that look like this, where you have a buy signal, and then you have some nice profit-taking signals. You have a defined stop and an entry level, and it works really, really well. Everybody's loving it that I'm talking to. It only costs $179 for lifetime, so one-time fee. So this is my favorite indicator at the moment and of all time. So I'm really into them because this actually helped me make some money this last week or two. I know it's made, one guy was telling me he's making $200 or $300 a day just doing like a trade on this on SPY, which is amazing. So really loving Algo Pro. Check the description below and you'll get the best possible price for Algo Pro. So because I've been having so much success and having so much fun with this type of algorithm, this type of indicator, algo indicator, whatever you'd like to call it, I thought that, BlackBox stocks might be another good step forward. It's much more expensive, so it's $97 a month, and that's a lot more than just paying a one-time fee of, say, $179 for Algo Pro. There is a lot more to this than just indicators, though, so I want to make that clear that this is going to be a multi-part review series where basically I'm talking about each part of BlackBox. And like I said, the first thing I want to focus on though is the indicator system, the very first indicator that is being touted by both the Raging Bull and by BlackBox themselves as being this amazing new thing called GoNoGo, where it simplifies the charts and it just gives you like a go, which means a buy, I'm assuming, and a no-go, which means don't buy or sell, maybe. We'll see. So I did a bit of research and I found the charts. Well, first of all, let me show you a chart really quick. Here is me logged into my BlackBox login. This is a SPY 1 hour, and you can see that this is a no-go signal. This is a go signal. This is a go signal. No-go, go, no-go, go. And so the first thought that crossed my mind, and this is maybe a bad choice, and I'll try and show you some better examples. My first look at this is utter nonsense. What is this? Compare this to something like Algo Pro, where you get this well-defined buy signal and all these take profit levels, and it's well spaced out and they generally work. So kind of scroll back here, see what else there's here. Sell signal that generally just goes down. Like it doesn't go like sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, So my initial impression is that something like Algo Pro, if you're just looking for indicators, is far, far better than BlackBox because of this nonsense. This just looks like nonsense to me. Now, I'm new to this, I might be wrong, maybe this is a consolidation phase, which I think I saw Jeff talking about. No disrespect to Jeff Bishop, he's a great guy, great trader. He obviously knows more about it than I do, and I'm just trying to figure it out for myself right now. So at the moment, this is just nonsense to me. We'll look through some other charts, see if we can make any more sense of it, but this is kind of like, what the heck. So anyway, I looked into it a little bit more, and it looks like what's happened is BlackBox has partnered with, in some way, this company called GoNoGo Charts. And so this is run by these two guys right here, Alex Cole and Tyler Wood. So these guys know what they're doing. They're market analysts and software developers, 15 years experience, technical analysis, data visualization. All this sounds great. He's been on the financial news industry stuff such as Bloomberg and Benzinga. This is all like really good stuff. These guys are the real deal. So why on earth does the no-go stuff look so terrible compared to things that are much, much cheaper? Now, BlackBox itself, like I said, is $97 a month, and you get all this other stuff, which we'll talk about in other reviews. But if you go to this site here and try to buy the indicators, they're also extremely expensive. So I tried to buy one, I'll show you right here. Indicators. I thought, I don't want the whole BlackBox stuff because it has all this stuff that I probably won't use. And so I thought I'd go here, and here I found this one is like the GoNoGo trend, the GoNoGo oscillator, the squeeze. So these things, this is like the signals, right? Those no-go things like here. Heat maps, risk, all this stuff. And so I thought, okay, maybe I'll just buy it here and try and put them on a trading view chart and then just, not worry about, having to buy BlackBox. And so I looked in like the research one here, $1.99 a week, trend analysis and charts, delivered weekly, delivered launch conditions, 60 no-go charts. Not sure what this is, but really you need the full suite of no-go tools, right? For you to be able to do this yourself. These are just like charts sent to you, I think. Not completely sure. And so it says gain access to the popular GoNoGo trend, GoNoGo oscillator, available on major trading platforms including TradingView, stock charts. Stock charts is kind of cool. So this is great, but I clicked on it, and instead of $50 or $100 or even $200, they want $500 annually for it. So I decided that unless I can see from BlackBox that this is worth it, that there's no way that that I'm going to pay this. It just doesn't look good enough. Now, I might be wrong, and if you guys are watching, maybe you guys are the founders that are watching this, and you can see that I'm not using it properly, then just reach out to me, and maybe we can do some sort of training session where you can go through and show me why I'm wrong about why this is so bad. So Tyler Wood or Alex Cole, maybe, or even one of the Raging Bull guys. I'd love to know more about how you guys are using it, because my initial impressions is that it's far inferior than, say, Algo Pro. However, this doesn't give the full picture. This is the SPY 1 hour. If I zoom out here, you can see that this last go signal did actually take off fairly well. It's just the noise, the chop in between is so bad. See what I mean? So it's not the best. So let's look at some other time frames. Let's see if we can compare it to like the Algo Pro system. So let's just see here. Zoom out of this stuff. There you go. So there's a no-go. Went downhill quite well. It's quite nice if that's a short. Here's this nonsense again, not this chop. False signals are always going to be a problem, right? With like any of these systems, but they're particularly bad with this no-go. Like, this is terrible. It's a great signal here though, but there's a lot of false signals. See, this one says no-go, and then it's very choppy. I would say it's definitely not as good as Algo Pro yet. So this is no-go, but really nothing happens. No-go, and goes up massively. It just isn't impressing me at all at the moment. Nothing's really screaming, So if you compare that to Algo Pro, for example, let's just look at SPY or SPX or something. Zoom out. It's just less signals, but they're more clear cut. So like, there's a buy, it goes up. There's a sell, it goes down. There's a buy that goes up. There's a sell, it goes down. There's a buy, it goes up. There's a sell, it goes all the way down. It's just so much cleaner, so much more normal, so much more useful. Look at this sell all the way down. Sure, you get one little one, but it doesn't last very long. It's not like there's a bunch all bunched together. It's just a nightmare. So anyway, thought I'd do that. So that's the start of my BlackBox reviews, and there's so much else to go through here. Volatility indicator, alerts they send out, the communities, the rooms, so much stuff. But I thought I'd start with the no-go indicator, since it's been kind of bugging me all day and the last week as well. Alright guys, hopefully it's helpful, and I'll talk to you soon.